government should be flexible and have a range of acceptable increases in chicken prices before it intervenes. This comes after Putrajaya said it could carry out intervention measures to ensure chicken is sold at a price that does not burden the people.
Because chicken prices go up and down, $1, $1.50 very fast. Because there's a glut, prices go down, no glut, prices go up. So for me, the government should tolerate at least from $9.40 to $10.40, $1, because the subsidy was $1, 80 cents anyway, right? So let's tolerate that part. But if it goes to 11.50, 12, I think the government will intervene. I'm sure, like rice, we have a stockpile. I'm guessing, okay? I'm sure you can have chicken stockpile.
The lifting of subsidies and price controls for chickens came into effect today. Elsewhere, Lawyers for Liberty has urged PDRM to drop the investigation in the arrest of activist Ruslan Abdullah and to release him without delay. Ruslan was detained on Monday and is being probed over a TikTok post that allegedly criticized government failures. LFL says the arrest appears to be an attempt to create a climate of fear to suppress criticism of the government. In other news, authorities have identified almost 5,650 flood risk hotspots nationwide in light of the northeast monsoon, with Sarawak having the highest number at 1,066. Almost 62,000 emergency response personnel are on standby for deployment. Meanwhile, the Education Ministry is ready to face the possibility of flooding during the monsoon season. Director General Datuk Khairudin Ghazali told Astra Awani, aid mobilization is also ready, especially involving students and teachers in schools. In Selayang, a horse died on Tuesday after being hit by a Ford Ranger. Police say the driver spotted a horse on the road but could not avoid it and crashed into the animal. Investigations are still ongoing to determine where the horse came from, as no one has